Hello all. Today we are going to talk about what is the difference between the for and for each. You may say that Raghu, we know already what is the difference between for and for each. But here I will tell you one interesting point. Maybe there is a chance that you didn't notice. Maybe. If you already know it, fantastic. Just let's see that. Please wait for 1 minute. You will understand it. Okay, just I'm taking the constant marks 55, 66, and 77. So if I do a console.log, okay, so we know that what will be the output. Just refresh. It's very simple. So, but sometimes, suppose by mistake, if you didn't provide any value here, so it's like nothing, nothing is there. Just you have given some extra comma or something. So at the time, how how JavaScript will behave here. Okay, what is the value of this marks details now? Let's see. Just guess whether it will treat it as an undefined null or something else. It's very interesting. So let's refresh it. What it is? It is empty, empty, and just expand it. Here it is clearly saying that we have a three items. The length of the array is three, but just expand it. So we are getting only index number 055, and if you see there is no index number 1 at this position. It's like empty. So this is very interesting, right? So how for each will behave, whether for each also, suppose if you log the details with the help of for each, whether it will print empty or undefined or null or error. Let's see. So now first I will try with the for each. So just simple for each, I'm taking the item and I'm just printing that item. That's it, nothing. I'm not doing anything extra. So just refresh. So if you see, fantastic. So for each is handling this situation very smartly. So it is not going to consider these empty values and it will print, it will do all the operations properly. But in case of for loop, suppose if you try to do the same with the for loop, just guess what will be the value of this index number 1, because here we are writing the loop, right? We are looping the marks details. So let's see, just guess it, just pause it and guess what is the value at index number 1 when we are dealing with a for loop. So it's surprisingly it is undefined. So here whenever you log the whole array, it is clearly mentioning that it's empty, and whenever you are logging the details, whenever you are trying to do some logic on top of that item, it is treating as undefined. So if you see, if you deal arrays with for each, so definitely you can avoid this situation because it will handle this empty value smartly. For loop, yeah, we should take care of it. That is the interesting difference. I hope um, you enjoyed this one. Thank you and see you in the next topic. Bye bye.